Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Lab CA assessment for basic anatomy and physiology. We are now on week 4, and this time we review the nervous system. Let's start the ball rolling with Sir Froilan de la Cruz. Good afternoon, sir. Can you answer 1 to 20?
Yes, sir. Yes, Doc. Good afternoon.
Okay. What do you call this subdivision of the nervous system that is composed of the brain and spinal cord?
Central Nervous System or
Galing.
CNS.
Very good. And what do you call the subdivision of the PNS or peripheral nervous system that controls voluntary activities like activation of skeletal muscles? Voluntary.
Somatic Nervous System,
Very good.
SNS.
Ang galing. Okay. By the way, okay, number 3. What do you call that nervous system subdivision that is composed of cranial nerves and spinal nerves?
Peripheral Nervous System, PNS.
Yes. Good. Subdivision of the PNS that regulates activity of cardiac muscle, smooth muscle glands. It is also called involuntary nervous system because it controls body activities automatically. It is very important to maintain the homeostasis for the body. What do you call this? Subdivision.
Autonomic Nervous System, ANS.
Okay, very good. What is the term used for cells that support, insulate, and protect neurons? This is very important, especially if we're going to discuss uh, conditions like MS, multiple sclerosis. Now, these cells are able to divide and are usually involved in brain tumor. So if we are not very lucky to have a brain tumor, it's most usually due to this. So what do you call these cells?
Neuralgia.
Okay,
Neuralgia, also known as glial cells.
ganito ha, neuroglia. Hmm? Yan,
Neuroglia.
neuralgia. Neuralgia. Sige, okay lang.
Neuralgia.
At least magkatunog. Neuroglia. Ha? Okay.
Neuroglia.
Pang ano, pero okay lang. At least malapit, no? So para
Neuroglia.
yeah, so
Neural,
neuroglia,
neuroglia.
neuroglia. So it's the glial cells.
Neuroglia.
So malay nyo, kung isa sa atin may brain tumor, usually it's due to the glial cells or glioma, they call it. Glia, oh yeah, okay, whatever. Neuroglia, hindi neuralgia. Iba yung neuralgia, nerve pain. Next. But it's okay. What do you call the cells that transmit electrical message from one area of the body to another area?
Neurons.
Yes. So iba yung neuroglia. Next. And what do you call that end of the neuron that will release neurotransmitters away from the cell body? Away.
Axon terminal.
Yes.
Axon terminal.
Pwede na axon. Basta away axon yan.
Axon.
Yan yung axon. Okay, can you see it? Away. Okay. What do you call the end of neuron that conducts electrical currents toward the cell body?
Dendrite.
Okay, very good. So I hope you know where the dendrites are. Towards the cell body. Next. What do you call that white fatty material that covers the long nerve fibers, protecting and insulating the fibers? So kailangan may insulator yung fibers, as well as increasing the speed of impulse transmission. And this is very, very important when we discuss MS. What do you call this?
Myelin. Myelin.
Myelin. Yeah, ito po, yung
Myelin.
insulator niya. Okay, di ba katulad nung
Hindi
mga wire
gumagalaw.
natin, kailangan di ba may insulator para mabilis yung takbo ng kuryente? Okay, so what is the location of the nucleus in a neuron, or where is the nucleus located?
Cell body or soma.
Very good. Cell body. Next. What do you call the specialized cells that myelinate the fibers of neurons found in the peripheral nervous system?
Schwann cell.
Yeah, Schwann cells. Yan,
Schwann
yan yung
cells.
Schwann cells. Nasa PNS yan. Next. They myelinate, siya yung nag insulate sa fibers. of the neurons in the PNS. Okay, what do you call the junction or point of close contact between neurons? I
Synapse or synapse?
think synapse is okay. The synapse.
Synapse.
Number 13, what the term for bundle of nerve processes inside the central nervous system?
Tract.
Yes, that's the tract, the neural tracts. Nasa loob ng CNS. These are nerve processes, no? For those who would like to go into neuroanatomy, and for those who are going to attend the scalp acupuncture by Dr. Gavino, I think he's here right now. You are all welcome. No, you will love it. Insa Yamamoto. What do you call the gaps in the myelin sheath between Schwann cells?
Nodes of Ranvier.
Wow, talagang French na French. Okay. So the Schwann cells are actually the myelin sheath, no? So yung gap is called no, these are called the nodes of Ranvier. Number 15. What do you call the term used for collection of nerve cell bodies that are found outside the central nervous system, outside?
Ganglion.
Yeah, plural is ganglia. So ganglion. Okay. What is the neuron? What is the term for the neuron that conducts impulses away from the central nervous system to the muscles and glands?
Motor neuron or efferent neuron.
Okay. This is especially important for those who want to really be serious with acupuncture para ma-explain natin sa ating medical counterparts, no? So this is how it works. From the skin, diba, tutusok mo dyan, it will send impulses to the brain, pa-process niya spinal cord, and balik ulit sa efferent nerve. Yan. So it's away from the CNS to the muscles and glands. Okay. Number 17. What are the changes occurring within or outside the body that affect the nervous system functioning?
Internal factors and external factors.
So these are called the stimuli or stimulus. Yeah, internal, external. Okay. What do you call the neuron that conducts impulses toward naman the CNS from the periphery?
Sensory neurons.
Or?
Afferent neurons.
Very good. Very good. Number 19. What do you call the chemicals released by neurons that will stimulate other neurons, muscles, or glands?
Neurotransmitters.
Very good. What type of neurotransmitters are released when you do acupuncture?
Depolarization.
Okay, ito yung mga happy. Okay. Sige, mamaya na lang yan. Number 20. What do you call the state in which the polarity of the neuron is reversed? Because this time, the sodium ions will rush into the neuron. Pumapasok si sodium sa neuron. And what do you call this
Hindi
state?
gumagalaw.
Ito na yung sagot mo na.
Depolarization. Apo, depolarization.
Depolarization.
Kasi hindi po gumagalaw yung screen, Doc.
Ala, sorry. Andyan na naman
Apo.
tayo. Sorry po. Andyan na naman
Hindi po
to.
gumagalaw.
O yan, meron na. So the answer is depolarization. Thank you so much, Sir Froilan. Excellent.
Thank you po, Doc.
Neuroglia
Thank you.
or neuroglia. Okay.
Apo.
Maraming salamat. May konting...
Thank you.
Okay. Next, let's call on Ma'am Mercy. Mercy Pu. Okay.
Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon. 21 to 40. Are we good?
Okay po.
Okay. What do you call the electrical condition of the plasma membrane of a resting neuron? So walang nangyayari. Inactive siya. It has fewer positive ions sitting on its inner face than on its outer face. Kaya hindi siya walang nangyayari. What do you call this state?
Polarization.
Okay. The polarized state or polarization. Good. So pag may nangyayari, it's already depolarization. 22. What do you call the period during which potassium ions will diffuse out of the neuron that will cause the return of polarization to its resting state? So, umaalis na si potassium ions sa neuron. Kaya ngayon bumabalik na siya sa resting state. And what do you call this period?
It's repolarization.
Repolarization. Very good. Talagang nag-aral kayo ha, grabe. The chief positive ion found inside a neuron during its resting state.
It's the sodium ions.
You might want to reconsider.
Positive kasi siya. So,
Pag hindi sodium, it should be potassium
potassium.
ions. Okay? Kaya this is especially
Baliktad
important
pala.
kung meron na tayong mga hypokalemia, yung mga ganun-ganon, para hindi tayo
Oh my.
medyo parang nasa ibang planeta, no? So the chief positive ion found inside a neuron or a nerve cell during the resting state is these are the potassium ions. Number
Okay,
24.
potassium.
Pag umaalis na, okay, what do you call that process by which ATP? You know what's ATP? That's basically the chi, the energy. Adenosine triphosphate, yes. So this is used to move sodium ions out of the cell, potassium ions back into the cell. So it completely restores the resting conditions of the neuron. What do you call this process?
It's primary active transport.
Yeah, it's actually a pump. The sodium,
Oh,
potassium.
sodium pump.
Pinapump niya yung sodium. Di ba dapat ang potassium nandoon, no? So nilalabas niya po yung sodium, tapos yung bumabalik yung potassium. Remember, the chief positive ions inside the cell are the potassium. So, okay, so that's basically what we're trying to do. Kasi pag stress na stress ka, ang daming nangyayari sa buhay mo, then you probably need acupuncture. Next.
Oh, yes.
Number 25. What is the site of regulation of water? Sa brain to ha. Okay? In charge of regulating the water balance, the body temperature, and metabolism.
Is it the hypothalamus?
Yes, very good. Andito po yung hypothalamus. See? The mighty hypothalamus. Water balance, body temp, and metabolism. Okay? What is responsible, still part of the brain, for the regulation of posture and coordination of skeletal muscle movements?
The cerebellum.
Yeah, very good. It's about dito. So marami na tayo natutunan. Hypothalamus, cerebellum. What do you call this important relay station for afferent fibers that travel to the sensory cortex for interpretation, giving us a good idea if the sensation we're about to feel will be pleasant or unpleasant? What is this?
It's the thalamus.
Thalamus. Brilliant. So thalamus. There. Next. This is found in the brain stem. It contains autonomic centers that regulate blood pressure. There's a point here na dapat very careful tayo sa may DO16 for fear na matutusok mo yun. Kaya, kasi this is very important for regulating blood pressure, heart rate, even breathing, swallowing, and vomiting. What do you call this? Nasa brainstem siya.
Medulla oblongata.
Very good. Here. Okay. Next. This occurs when the brain injury is slight. Kaya napaka-importante po nito, especially if the patient comes to you with dizziness or headache. Kailangan mo talaga i-rule out po ito. Although the patient may be dizzy or briefly lose consciousness, the damage is not permanent. So you have to pray that this is the condition.
Concussion.
Concussion. Okay? May konting hilo-hilo lang. But again, you need to make sure na it's really concussion lang. Because if we go to the next, okay, you need to differentiate between the first one, concussion, and this one. Because this one is the result of marked tissue destruction. If the cerebral cortex is damaged, the person may remain conscious for a while. Pero pag na-damage na yung brainstem, pwede siyang maging comatose permanently.
Contusion.
Contusion. Okay? Next. So which is better, concussion or contusion?
Concussion. Di pa malala eh.
So this is total non-responsiveness to stimulation, no matter what you do. So ano tong
Coma.
coma. Very good. After head injury, if the bleeding occurs from ruptured vessels, the brain may swell and left untreated and can result in death. Kaya nga, if nauntog yung ulo mo, you should always go to to the ER or to your neuro, no? Ipacheck ka agad kahit ano. Kasi we really don't know what is going on inside, no? And this is what will happen, which can result in
Yes,
death.
yes. It's hemorrhagic stroke.
No, not stroke
Or
muna.
hemorrhagic
Remember,
stroke.
head injury to. Head
Bleeding.
injury.
Ah,
Nauntog yung ulo. May trauma.
may trauma. Parang na-advance yata ako. Naging hemorrhagic stroke agad.
Oo ka agad hemorrhagic stroke. Mamaya na yan. Ito, head injury to. Hindi niya sinasadya. Hindi yung dahil sa pumutok hindi yung dahil tumaas yung BP niya or nagkaroon ng issue
Mm,
or liver
mm.
niyang rising. So if bleeding
Ah,
occurs from ruptured vessels, okay, the brain may swell and left untreated, this can result in death. This is so important po.
oh. Yun
Nag-swell.
ang hindi ko alam.
Ano? Ano? Anybody has the answer?
Intracranial hematoma, Doc.
No. Cerebral edema.
Oh,
Nag-swell yung kasi nga
nag,
na-rupture yung vessels mo. So magkakaroon ng bleeding. So syempre mamamaga yun. So pwedeng
ah,
no. Kaya pag may head
mag-iisip na siya.
injury o kung sinuntok mo man yung buti sana kung lang, concussion lang. No? Head injury to. Okay? This is very
So,
critical po. Okay, concussion
pwede
or
po siyang
contusion.
contusion.
Yeah, cerebral edema. Head injury ha, head injury. Kasi
Okay.
yung hemorrhagic stroke naman, pwede namang hindi naman head injury. Okay, let's
Okay
go
po.
to this one. This is also called cerebrovascular accident. So that means the blood vessels in the brain. It occurs when the blood circulation to the brain area is blocked kasi may blood clot or may
Oh,
rupture of the blood vessel and the vital brain tissue dies. In the States, this is the third leading cause of death. I think also in the Philippines. What do you call this?
ano, pwede siyang ischemic stroke.
Yeah, stroke. Stroke. Stroke is the answer.
So,
Okay. What do you call this progressive degeneration of the brain that ultimately results in dementia?
Alzheimer's disease.
Very good. So may stage po yan. Saan po kayo nagbibilong dyan? Joke lang.
2. 1 to 7 po siya,
Hmm.
2.
Nag-uumpisa sa mild cognitive impairment, tapos sa mild, syempre moderate, and severe. Severe, hindi mo na makilala yung mga kasama mo sa bahay, no? And until now, they're still in the dark as to what is causing it. So probably, of course, it has something to do with circulation, saka poor nourishment of the brain. Kaya dapat let us start educating people na dapat magpatingin and also look at
Yes.
the sublingual veins, no? Because this can happen to anyone. Remember, this is called, of course, you don't want to end up having Alzheimer's, diba? So, yun. And you will soon realize that may kinalaman dyan yung kidney at saka yung heart. So, nandyan yung communication between the heart and the kidney. So, yun.
Mm.
Makikita natin yan sa tongue. So, yun. Number 35. What is this autoimmune disorder? When you say autoimmune, your own you're producing antibodies against your own tissue, against your own cells, no? So they attack the proteins in the myelin sheath. Remember the myelin sheath? It
Mm.
can cause short circuit of the nervous system. So now the person cannot control his muscle movement. What do you call this?
Oh,
This is very, very
multiple,
common.
tama ba yung sagot?
Initials
Mul-
MS.
Yun. Multiple sclerosis.
Multiple sclerosis. So, if you remember kanina, meron tayong insulator, no, the myelin sheath. This time, Ewan ko ano nangyari, maswerte ka na yung antibodies mo, inaatake yung myelin sheath. Kaya ano mangyayari? So, hindi na control yung muscle movement mo. So, ngayon, kung hawak ka ng baso, bigla mo mabibitawan. So, for like si Sir Walter, no? You might encounter cases like this. So, yun.
Mhm.
So, the earlier na it's caught, the better. So, yun. Ito nangyari. Yung insulator niya nasira. Bakit? Autoimmune siya eh. So it's basically strengthening the immune system, trying to, this does not happen like, ang karamihan kasi sa mga tao will only act when it's already there, no? So
Mhm.
as early as now, we need to start educating people how to look at their tongues, feel their pulses. And by the way, I'm very excited. Meron akong technique na na-discover na naman. Mabilis mong aayusin yung pulso mo. Especially if hindi pareho yung pulso mo sa right and sa left, no? Oh,
Mhm.
so kahit medyo ano siya, but it made sense. And this time you would know what to do. If you can only teach people how to take care of themselves, no? Kasi alam nyo, ang heart disease is silent killer disease. Kasama na dyan yung hypertension. What more if you have this kind of problem, no? So it's all about the immune system. But something went wrong. So nagpo-produce ka ng antibodies against your own tissue, right? Okay.
Mhm.
What is the chief positive ion found outside of the neuron during its resting state? Kanina, if you remember, the question was the chief positive ion found inside the neuron. This time, ano naman yung chief positive ion found outside of the neuron during the resting state?
Ayun, si sodium na.
Yes,
Sodium.
sodium na. Okay. Number 37. What do you call the elevated regions of tissue in the cerebral hemispheres?
It's the gyrus or gyri, pag
Okay.
plural.
Gyrus is the singular, gyri is, or gyri, will be the plural. So ito po yung mga gyri or ridges. Yung parang marshmallow. You remember marshmallow? Sa kapanahonan namin, di ba? Baka hindi na uso ngayon ng marshmallow. Okay. Number 38. So ano naman tawag doon sa shallow grooves or furrows in the cerebral
Yung,
hemispheres?
yung ano, sulci. Sulcus.
Okay. Sulcus is the singular. Sulci is the plural.
Sulci.
Or yeah. Sulcus. Sulci.
Sulcus.
Hindi naman pwedeng sulcuses. Should be sulci.
Sulcus. Sulci.
So here, ito po yung ano, matawag doon yung basta yung sakit yun, yung mga
Yung
palalim,
shallow group.
the
Yung,
groups, they are shallow, they're not deep. Okay? So now you know the gyri, what are sulci. Next, what do you call the most superior part of the brain, which is also the largest part of the brain?
the cerebrum.
Okay, the cerebral hemispheres. The paired cerebral hemisphere. Yeah, yung dalawa. And the last one, this is called the interbrain that sits on top of the brainstem, and this is enclosed by the cerebral hemispheres. Nasa loob nito ang thalamus and the hypothalamus.
At yung interbrain or the diencephalon.
The diencephalon. Andyan po, aside from the thalamus and hypothalamus, andyan din yung epithalamus and subthalamus, which we will not discuss anymore. Importante lang kasi ito. Tingnan nyo po, it relies sensory information between brain regions and controls many autonomic functions of the peripheral nervous system. Thank you so much, Ma'am Mercy.
Thank you rin to, Doc.
Merci beaucoup. Thank you po. Sir
Mercy
Walter,
to
are
Sir
you? Yeah, thank you so
Dorian.
much. Good job. Sir Walter, are you excited para lalong gumaling yung bone setting mo? Take care
Yeah.
of 51 to 60. Okay lang, kahit walang sagot. Sige, go.
Magandang gabi po.
Magandang gabi. Hindi pa gabi. Okay. What do you call this structure of the brain that provides a pathway? So meron tayong tinatawag na ascending and descending tracts. Nasa loob nito, this particular brain structure contains the midbrain, the pons, and the medulla oblongata.
It's like a,
So what's your answer?
di po ba brainstem, sir?
Yes. Nagduda ka pa. Totoo, yan ang tama. So here's the brainstem po. Diyan yung midbrain, the pons, and the medulla. Okay, number 42. Ano naman tawag? Actually, it is the shape of a cauliflower. No? Ewan ko lang kung may chance kayo makakuha ng utak, pero I'm sure matutuwa kayo if mag-attend kayo sa September 28 ng scalp acupuncture in sa Yamamoto New Scalp Acupuncture ni Dr. Gavino. No? Okay, it projects dorsally from under the cerebrum. So it
It's
provides precise timing for skeletal muscle activity and controls balance and equilibrium. So kung may konting problema ka sa balancing, then ito yung dapat mong sisihin.
cerebellum po.
Ang galing. That's a cerebellum. Oh, ba parang cauliflower? That's a cerebellum. And yeah, there. Next. This consists of three protective tissues that surround the cerebral nervous system: the dura mater, arachnoid, and the pia mater. What do you call this?
Meninges.
Ang galing. Ito po yung ating meninges. Okay? Parang protective ano siya. Yeah, protective tissue to support that surround that CNS. So, pinaka ano is dura, then arachnoid, pia mater. So what is inflammation of the meninges called? That will pose a serious threat if nag-spread ang bacteria or virus to the CNS. That's why when you are assigned, hopefully in the future in the hospital, you should be able to detect already kung meron ng makikita natin sa tongue kung meron ng heat, toxic heat, no? Bacteria or virus. So what do you call this condition?
Meningitis.
Very good. Ewan ko lang kung pwede nating i-ano dito. Isa sa mga katropa nyo, bone setter, I won't mention the name of course. Kilala ito ni Sir Mark. Nag-meningitis siya for 3 months.
Wow.
Yeah. Kilala ni Sir Mark to. Sir Mark, is that Mark Anthony Panlilio? The great Sir Mark? Yes.
Yes po, Doc. Mayroon pa ako pasyente. Nakikinig po ako, Doc.
Ay, salamat po. Actually, kilala mo yung tinutukoy ko, no? Nagka-meningitis siya. Wala siya dito, of course. Magaling din mag-bone setting yun.
Opo.
Okay, so sana hindi mangyari sa atin. Maraming salamat po, Sir Mark. Number 45. Okay. This is a watery with sabaw. Na pareho yung makeup sa blood plasma. You know what's blood plasma? The liquid portion of the blood, no? But it contains less protein and more vitamin C. It forms a watery cushion that protects fragile nervous tissue from blows and other trauma. Ano po ang tawag dito sa watery broth na to?
CSF or cerebrospinal fluid.
Wow, kompleto. Congratulations. Yeah, cerebrospinal fluid. Number 46. This is the condition that is termed as water on the brain. This happens when something obstructs the drainage of the CSF. Okay, masanay na tayo sa mga sa mga abbreviation, causing it to accumulate and exert pressure on the brain. So sa newborn babies, it causes the head to enlarge as the brain increases in size. What do you call this condition?
Hydrocephalus.
Very good. Number 47. Ito napaka-common din ito. Very common. And you should try scalp here. I'm sure may alam na sa scalp I'm sure some of you have attended the WHO scalp acupuncture ni Dr. Webb. Mas maganda kung meron pa rin kayong knowledge sa INSA. Actually, nagpapatalbugan. Meron pang, yung pinaka-original yung Jiao. Did you know that there are 10 types of scalp acupuncture? Okay na kahit dalawa or tatlo. Okay? This is the generation of the dopamine-releasing neurons resulting in dopamine-deprived basal nuclei that then become overactive. So, ibig sabihin, nag-degenerate yung mga neurons that release dopamine. So, pag kulang sa dopamine, yung kakaroon ng persistent tremors, head nodding, forward bent walking posture, shuffling gait, stiff facial expressions, and trouble initiating muscle movement. What do you call this condition, Sir Walter?
Parkinson's disease.
Very good. That's Parkinson's. It affects the nervous system, causes increased levels of chemical dopamine in the body. Okay? So, hindi na siya, yung basal nuclei niya, yung substantia nigra, na-deprive na. Kaya yon, hindi na niya makontrol yung movement. And you will know how to treat that. Number 48. This is approximately about 17 inches long. This protrusion is an extension of the brain stem and extends all the way to just below the ribs. It contains 31 pairs of spinal nerves. It is enlarged at the lumbar and cervical region where nerves to the arms and legs arise and leave the cord. What do you call this structure?
Spinal cord.
Galing. If the spinal cord is severed or crushed, the affected muscles stay healthy because they are stimulated by spinal reflex arcs, which we shall discuss in a while. But the movement become involuntary and the patient cannot feel anything below the damaged area. What do you call this condition?
Spinal cord injury.
Yeah, spastic paralysis. You have to be very specific, no? Yung movement niya is already involuntary, so spasm. May movement pa rin. And wala siyang nafe-feel. That's why it's called spastic paralysis. So there. You may want to use scalp acupuncture here. Number 50. This is part of the autonomic nervous system that allows us to unwind and conserve energy. This is also referred to as the resting and digesting system.
It's a parasympathetic nervous system.
Yes, the parasympathetic division, no, of the ANS. So the ANS has two. So the other one should be this answer. Part of the autonomic nervous system that mobilizes the body during extreme situations. Rage, yung buhay mo parating kang naninigaw sa traffic. Or parating yung buhay mo para kang nasusunugan, no? Fear, exercise, too much exercise. This will activate, this will put, parang maaabuso mo itong division ng ANS. What do you call this?
Sympathetic nervous system.
The sympathetic division. So you have, do you remember the 4, 5, and 6 ear? Okay, dapat from time to time, inaano natin yan. Number 52. The phrase given to instinctive response to danger where our heart rate, blood pressure, blood glucose levels, and oxygen intake from the lungs increase to give one more energy for a response. This is controlled by the sympathetic division. What do you call this phrase?
It's a fight or flight response.
Very good. Okay? Dapat alam po natin yan. Fight or flight. So, meron tayong, parang alam na natin kung paano mag-react. So, activate mo kaagad yung mo. Saka take note if this is the kind of life that you live. So, yung blood pressure mo tumataas, yung blood glucose mo. Kaya before you give medications to control the blood sugar, you should also inquire, anong klaseng buhay ba meron yung tao? No? So, that's why kailangan, mas gusto natin yung parasympathetic niya ang nagagamit. So, mas may raming time for relaxation. So people who work at breakneck speeds and push themselves continually due to excessive sympathetic nervous system disorder. So if you are this kind of personality, this can lead to heart disease, high blood pressure, and ulcers. What type of personality is this? Type A or B?
Type A.
Type A, very good. Now, let's go to a birth defect. This is due to a temporary lang, lack of oxygen. And then this causes brain damage. So pag may brain damage, yung voluntary muscles mo are poorly controlled, magkakaroon ng seizures, mental retardation, and or impaired hearing and eyesight. This is very common in children. What do you call this?
Cerebral palsy.
Yes, cerebral palsy. Or parang mas social, CP. Okay, number 55. Nako, excited na talaga ako na when we become part of the neuro team, no? Kaya as much as possible, you're still very young. Try to embrace more knowledge when it comes to... Kasi ito pong scalp kasi, it's more Western, no? Hindi na siya masyadong Chinese. Kasi meron po tayong um, Chinese na system, pero ngayon, medyo nag-modernize na. So it's always good to, and then you should know all those important areas of the brain. So these are the nerves that originate in the brain, and there are 12 of them. What do you call them? Sir Ron?
12, cranial nerves po.
Very good. There are 12. Sa med school, we are asked to memorize all of this, but you don't have to. Meron tayong, ano ba to? Oo. Meron tayong minimemorize na code dyan. All 12. Pero you don't have to memorize all of them. Okay. This one, answer mo na kanina. May white matter siya sa labas, gray matter sa loob. It is also bathed in CSF. What do you call this?
It's a dura mater.
No, spinal cord.
Spinal cord. 56. Sige.
Okay, sa labas niya, okay, kung mamaya kung isa-slice natin cross-section yung ano. Okay, anyway, mamaya na. Okay. This is found in the spinal cord, and it usually functions as connecting tracks between the neurons and the brain centers. What is this?
It's a synapse, sir.
White matter.
White matter.
Connecting tracks between the neurons and the brain centers. So kaya if you're going to really study how acupuncture works, and if you want mga converts, especially mga neurologists, you need to be familiar with these terms, no? So ngayon alam na natin na ang white matter is actually a connecting track between the nerve cells or the neurons and the brain centers. White matter. So ano naman to? These are actually neuronal cell bodies. Yung kanina connecting, ito naman, ito yung cell bodies sa neuron, which are the brains of the nerves. Kaya if you're very familiar with mga detective stories, sasabihin nila yung ito na yung dapat inaayos mo kasi ito yung brain ng nerve. So kung kanina sagot mo white matter, ano ito?
It's a gray matter naman.
Gray matter. Okay? So gray matter, andyan yung mga cell bodies, no? So yung connecting, ito yung white matter. Nagko-connect sa brain centers. Number 59. Okay, if you're going to slice crosswise yung spinal cord, makikita mo meron tayong mga roots. May dorsal root and ventral root. So ang tanong dito, which of the two will receive input from the sensory nerves? Kanina, si Sir Froilan was mentioning about sensory afferent. So saan siya nakalocate? Saan siya nakapwesto? Dorsal or ventral?
Pag sensory po, nasa dorsal po.
Dorsal roots. Ang galing naman. Okay, ito na tingnan mo, hiniwa yung di ba? So, ang dorsal root sa likod, ito naman yung ventral. Okay?
Hindi po gumagalaw, Doc.
Hindi na naman. Grabe.
Po.
Wala na naman dyan. Sige, thank you for letting me know. Okay. I hope that's fine. So what is your answer here? This will be your last question, Sir Walter. Send out signals to control motor functions. Yung kanina sensory.
Is,
Hmm.
motor sensor set.
Mm-mm.
Motor neurons, di ba?
No. You answer between dorsal and ventral. This is offshoot of this.
Ventral po.
Okay.
Anterior
Ang
servo.
sensory, ito yung
Dorsal.
dorsal. Yung motor. And I'm sure, di ba, Sir Froilan, nakita ko kayo, nag-aral kayo ng scalp. So meron tayong sensory area, motor area, no? Although yung alam ko lang talaga dyan yung chow. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I-compare nyo lang at saan kayo komportable. Okay. And you have to have an EA, no? Electroacupuncture. Kasi ang hirap siya i-twirl 200 times per minute. Okay, so what's your answer here, Sir Walter?
It's anterior or ventral
Yes,
part of
ventral
the...
root. Thank you so much, Sir Walter. Very good job.
Thank you po.
Now let's call on somebody else. Oh, hindi ko natawag last time si Sir Tyrone. Sir Tyrone, good afternoon. 61 to 80. Alam ko prepared ka, Sir Tyrone. Okay, number
Good
61.
afternoon, though.
Good afternoon po. This is formed from groups of nerves that join together because they have a common function after they have left the spinal cord. So, nakaiwan na sila, nakalabas na sila. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya sa gitna. Okay? So, what do you call this group of nerves?
It's called the plexus.
Wow, galing naman. Plexus or plexuses, the plural. Very good. So, they have a common function. So, meron tayong mga tinatawag na, okay, mamaya na lang, brachial plexus. Okay. Oh, like this one. This is formed from some of the cervical and thoracic nerves. Okay, so nag-join forces is cervical and thoracic nerves para ma-innervate niya yung muscle of the forelimbs. What do you call this plexus?
Brachial plexus.
Galing. Yeah, brachial plexus. Amazing. Ang gagaling nyo talaga. Alam nyo ba, I just got the result of those who took the exam for anatomy. You know what was the highest? Grabe, I was so amazed. 100.
Wow.
Oo. Tapos, allow me to read the scores, ah. I'm so like, ano. And then, ang sumunod, of course, I won't mention the names. Ang sumunod, 99. Tapos, dalawa na
Wow.
ng 97. Tapos, 96, 95. Dalawa ang 94. Tatlo ang 91. And then, 90. And 89. Tapos, yung pinakamababa, 78. Not bad, no? So, parang sana yung,
Diba?
ang gagaling nila, grabe. May nag 100. Tapos 99 yung isa parang siguro yung for those who I don't give I don't give exams that are very difficult kasi siguro ibig sabihin the system is effective. So pero pangarap ko pa rin lahat sila nag-perfect. Ayun. And I'm sure this batch will get a perfect score, no? Yeah, I'm very confident. So what do you call this plexus, Sir Tyrone? Made from nerves. Ito naman si lumbar and sacral. Doon pa lang, alam mo na kaagad yung pangalan eh.
Yeah. Lumbosacral plexus.
Very good. Diyan po. No? Umalis na sa spinal cord. Nakabuhol-buhol na. Okay, number 64. What do you call the olfactory nerve involved with the sense of smell and has no motor function? Remember, there are 12 cranial nerves. Anong number po ito?
Number 1.
Very well.
Cranial nerve 1.
Yeah. So yan lang. Ang galing ni. Okay, ano naman itong facial nerve? Alam nyo ito, dito mo makikita na ang dali lang pala talaga gawin, no? Especially if you know Oculift, yung mga nagkaroon nitong facial nerve palsy or facial paralysis, Ay nako. It's because you just
Both of.
nag-invade yung wind doon sa channels, no? So,
Mm.
what do you call this? Anong number ito sa cranial nerves? Meron siyang sensory and motor components. Number?
Number 7.
Very good.
Number 7. Cranial nerve number 7.
Yeah, so meron tayong branches niyan. Kaya yun.
Facial nerve.
Okay, what about the vagus nerve or vagus nerve? Meron din siyang sensory and motor function to the larynx plus parasympathetic function to the viscera of the chest and the abdomen. Anong number po ito?
Number 10.
Yes.
Cranial nerve number 10.
Yeah, you just memorize 1, 7, and 10. Kasi syempre ayaw nating mawala yung ating boses. Okay. Next. Composed of some nerves from the thoracic and lumbar spinal cord. And this is regulated by epinephrine or adrenaline. Adrenaline is the old name of epinephrine. Yung mga panating stress yung buhay mo, parati kang ang dami mong ginagawa, parati kang natatakot, yun. Masyado kang type A. So, what do you call this portion of the ANS?
Sympathetic nervous
Yes.
system.
Sympathetic. Okay. Your eyes, your pupils are dilated. Gusto niyo ba yon? Ganun parati. Tapos, okay, nandito na lahat, no? Number 68. Of course, yung kung sympathetic, ito naman, always remember na ang sympathetic is regulated by epinephrine, no? Ito naman, regulated by acetylcholine. Okay? Cranial and sacral. Kanina, what was it? Thoracolumbar, thoracic and lumbar. Ito naman, cranial and sacral. Yung, what do you call this portion?
The parasympathetic nervous
Very
system.
good. Parasympathetic. 69. This is made up of the afferent and efferent neuron. With appropriate stimulation, it will produce a predictable automatic or unconscious reflex action. What do you call this?
It's called the reflex arc.
Wow. Grabe. So alam nyo na yan, ha? So, Sir Tyrone, pag sensory, nasaan po siya? Sa dorsal or sa ventral?
Sensory. Dorsal.
Yes. So, syempre, yung motor nasa ventral. Madali lang, no? Okay. Number 70. Multiple choice naman tayo. The vital centers for the control of visceral activities like heart rate, breathing, blood pressure, swallowing, and vomiting are located in the what letter?
Letter E, the medulla oblongata.
Very good. Number 71. Immediately after the action potential is propagated, which one of the following ions will rapidly diffuse out of the cell into the tissue fluid?
Letter A, potassium.
Ang galing. Okay. Next, the blood-brain barrier. Alam nyo, I'm sure you're familiar with the blood-brain barrier, no? This is effective against the passage of what?
The anesthetics and the alcohol.
Actually, papasok si alcohol dyan. ang ano kasi dito, ano yung pangharang natin, no? Of course, papasok si glucose, kaya nga nakakapag-isip tayo pag may kinain tayo, no? So, ang ano kasi dito, saan siya effective para hindi makapasok?
Sa anesthetics.
No, no, no. Anesthetic, definitely, ano yan eh. Kaya nga mabilis tayo ma-epekto. Think again. It should be letter B. Metabolic waste such as urea. So yung blood-brain barrier will actually protect us from urea. Ayaw natin magkaroon tayo ng uremia. Okay? So yun, tandaan nyo yan. Actually, it will allow nutrients like glucose, water, anesthetic, diba? And also alcohol. Kaya slow down on alcohol. So that's it. That's the blood-brain barrier. Kaya,
The BBB.
yeah. Number 70, the BBB. Very good. Triple B. Next, very easy. The sympathetic and parasympathetic are subdivisions of the,
Letter A,
very good.
autonomic nervous system.
Okay, an action
For
potential
the A and S.
is what? Does it involve?
Is essential for nerve impulse
Yes, nerve impulse
propagation.
propagation. So alam nyo na, paano mag-depolarize. Okay. Number 75. Cell bodies of the sensory neurons of the spinal nerves are located in the sensory.
In the dorsal root ganglia of the
Very
spinal
good.
cord.
Letter A. Yeah, dorsal root. Okay, gagaling nyo. Sensory, dorsal, motor, ventral. Number 76. The effects of the sympathetic nervous system are essentially opposite of
the letter B, parasympathetic nervous
Okay.
system.
Number 77. Ganun lang po kadali yung ating mga exam. Now, the CSF circulates through all of the following except
letter A, the corpus callosum.
what is the corpus callosum?
Corpus callosum is...
Okay, yun nagsiseparate. O, basta hindi dyan dumaan CSF.
So, yun.
So, Google. Okay, okay, number 78. Case history. Sally has a brain injury. She knows what she wants to say, but cannot vocalize the words. The part of her brain that deals with ability to speak is the
letter B, Broca's area.
Ang galing. So this is the, okay?
Go.
Nandito yung Broca's area. What part of the brain is this? Okay, mamaya. It's good for
It's
speech.
located in the frontal lobe of the brain.
Okay, let's see. Which of these cells are not a type of neuroglia found in the CNS?
Schwann cells. Letter A.
Cells, letter A. Very good. The elevated, very easy. Bakit ko ba natanong to? Okay, what's your answer here?
The elevated regions
are
of
known
tissue
as
on the surface of the are known as the gyri and sulci.
Yeah, sulci or sulci. Sulcus.
While the shallow.
Yeah. Congratulations.
While the shallow groups are turned.
Yeah. So your
Sulci and
letter D.
gyri.
Congratulations, Sir Tyrone. Good job. Very good job.
Thank you, Doc.
Next, sino pa bang tatawagan ko? Si Sir Mark may pasyente. Oh, Ma'am Susan. Oh, si ano na lang, wait lang po. Ma'am Lynn Carillo of Ormoc City. Good evening, sir. Ma'am Lynn, are you busy? Mukhang busy. Okay, let's call on Ma'am Susan Valderrama. Good evening po.
Good evening po.
Yeah, you sound very Okay, let's proceed. An action potential is caused by influx of these ions into the cell.
Letter C, sodium.
Very good. Ay, nag-e-echo po. Patayin yung isa yung device. Okay. The function of the olfactory nerve concerns... What's your answer here?
Letter A, smell.
Very good. The gap between two communicating neurons is termed
Synaptic cliff.
very good.
B.
Yes. Number 84. The area of the brainstem that plays a role in consciousness and the awake-sleep cycles is the
Letter C, reticular activating system.
Okay, the RAS, reticular activating system. Okay, this is RAS. Dito. Okay. Number 85. A neuron with a cell body located in the CNS whose primary function is connecting other neurons is called what?
Letter A, parent neuron.
Think
Or
again.
letter C, parent neuron. A or C.
Ay, hindi po. Connecting other neurons.
Mhm.
Wrong ang A, wrong ang C. So you're left with
Ah.
D and E.
See?
Ang cell body niya nasa CNS, then ang primary function niya is to connect with other neurons. What do you call this type of neuron?
Letter B.
No. So dalawa na lang. Satellite cell.
Letter D, satellite
May
cell.
penalty na. Ay, hindi po. Letter E. Association neuron.
Association neuron. Okay. Mali ako.
Okay. Number 86. Afferent nerves are cold blank and motor nerves are cold blank. Si
Sensory
Sir,
nerve and the motor nerve is apparent nerve.
ang galing. So the answer is letter B. Number 87. Loss of muscle coordination. Muscle coordination results from damage to the, what's your answer?
Letter B,
What is letter B?
cerebrum.
No. Muscle
mali.
coordination. Nawalan siya ng muscle coordination. Balance.
Loss of tissue.
So you're left with A, C, D, and E. Okay lang, don't worry. The answer is
Pass.
ay hindi pwede mag-pass. Hindi pwede mag-pass. Pag nag-pass, nagbabayad ng 10,000. Okay, so yung
Sige.
meron ka pang ano, your first answer was letter B, which is wrong. Cerebrum, grabe naman.
Wrong yung B, loss of
Would like to
muscle.
help. Uy, help kayo. What's your answer, Sir Ma'am Mercy?
It's cerebellum. Magkatulog kasi sa cerebellum.
Cerebellum. Muscle balance.
Cerebellum.
Okay. Cerebellum. Oh, dito yung functions ng cerebellum. Anong shape ng cerebellum? Di ba? Para siyang ano?
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Motor learning. Huh? Especially when you do ballet o yung mga muscle memory. Sense of body position, balance and equilibrium, fine movement coordination. Okay? Loss of muscle coordination. Okay, number 88. The olfactory area is found where?
Temporal, D.
Very good, temporal. Andito po siya. It's temporal, this one, this area. Next, number 89, the sciatic. O ito, magkakaroon kayo ng pasyente na may sciatica, no? So, dapat alam nyo na it came from the word sciatic nerve. This is the largest nerve in the body, which is a combination of two nerves. What are these nerves?
Natura. Letter D, common fibular and cerebral nerve.
Yes, common fibular and tibial nerve. Okay, equal sciatic nerve. Galing. Okay. Number 90. The substance that is released at axonal endings to propagate a nervous impulse is called?
Letter D, neurotransmitter.
Very good. Impulse conduction is fastest in neurons that are?
Letter E, methylated
Yes.
neuron.
Kaya dapat hindi masira yung ating yung ating myelin sheath kasi insulator yan, no? So now you should understand how MS arises. So as much as possible, we need to protect our nervous system. Number 92. And by the way, nervous system, heart and kidneys. Ayusin talaga natin, heart and kidneys. Number 92. Which one of the following represents the correct sequence from outermost to innermost layers of the meninges?
Letter A, dura
Okay.
mater, arcade mater, and pia mater.
Very good. Number 93. Di ba paulit-ulit lang yung question hanggang sa mabingi ka? The diffusion of potassium ions out of a neuron causes it to experience. So lumabas na siya, ha?
B, an action potential.
Do you have another answer?
No.
Regain resting potential, 93.
Resting potential. What's your answer here? Ma'am, Sir Tyrone. Lumabas na yung potassium out of a neuron.
Letter A,
Yeah,
repolarization.
kailangan niya mag-repolarize. Kasi okay, yun na. Letter A, very good. 94, damage to this nerve results in wrist drop. Inability. Nako, you will meet these patients. And the scalp is very good for this. Inability to extend the hand at the wrist. So what is the nerve involved? What nerve is involved?
Radial nerve.
So this is the distribution of the rate. Okay. Wrist drop. Next, hindi niya ma-extend. 95. Which of the following is a traumatic brain injury? That was emphasized earlier, huh?
Wait lang to.
Si ano yata to, si Ma'am Mercy. You see, I hope you didn't forget Ma'am Mercy, ah.
Yes, yung kanina. Yung
Okay.
cerebrovascular
Pero hindi pa niya kailangan ng
comes out.
lifeline, ng life support. So, do you have an answer, Ma'am?
Yes, po. Yung
90,
letter C.
95.
Traumatic brain injury.
Nag-sapi. No,
Do
wala
you need
sagot.
help, Ma'am Susan?
Is it letter B, cerebral edema?
Yes, of course. Cerebral edema. Great. Number 96. The peripheral nervous system consists of
Letter B, the brain and the spinal cord.
Are you sure?
96, the nerve.
You might want to really
Brain
look at
and
the
spinal
question very
Letter
closely.
B,
The brain and spinal cord? Really?
baka mali ba ako dito?
Ay, bawal mahilo.
Na ano ko ah.
Sino ba sumagot? Si ano yata, si Sir Walter. Do you agree with the answer, Sir Walter?
Ano po, ang sagot ko po kasi doon, spinal tsaka cranial nerves po.
Yes, peripheral yan. Hindi central, ha? Ang central, brain and spinal cord. Okay, Ma'am Susan? I know you know the answer. Na-stress lang.
Oo nga eh. Ilang araw po yan.
97. The neuron processes that normally receive incoming stimuli are called
That's right. Letter B,
yes, B as in
boy. Dendrites.
very good. Very good. Galing. 98. The cerebrospinal fluid. What's your answer here?
Letter A,
No.
cerebral fluid.
So you still have 4 choices. By the way, yung multiple choice questions nyo, 4 lang, ha? Sabi kasi ni Doctor, parang masyadong torture ang 5. So we decided to but this is assessment. Usually assessment questions are more difficult than the actual exam. Okay. Can you give it another try, Ma'am Susan?
Wait lang to. A yung sagot ko eh.
Isa-isahin natin. Is it identical to whole blood? Kanino ba siya identical? Di ba, Sir Walter, you remember this? Kanina sinabi ko yan, ha? Is this statement correct? Identical in composition to whole blood. Para bang blood ang CSF? Yes or
Ang
no?
hindi po. Para
Okay.
sa akin,
Yung plasma, yung
plasma.
fluid portion. Okay? So mali na po ang C, mali din po yung A. So what's your answer? The answer is, who would like to give the answer?
Letter A po.
No.
Letter D.
Mali
Mali.
na mga kaibigan. Sagot
Mali
ko.
din si letter B.
Letter
Okay,
D.
the correct answer is letter E. It is constituted or mostly by the choroid plexus. Remember yung plexus natin, hindi siya kasama sa example. Okay? Here, dito po siya. Choroid plexuses. Okay, di mo naman kailangan aralin yan, pero dapat alam mo rin. Number 99. The term central nervous system refers to
Brain and spinal cord. E.
yeah. So why did you have a wrong answer for the peripheral nervous system?
Hilo na do.
Okay, number 100. Which one of these effectors is not directly controlled by the autonomic nervous system? Effector, yung mag-i-implement ng action.
Skeletal.
Yes, very good. Congratulations, Ma'am Susan. It was a good try. I hope you didn't feel
Puyat.
bad. Continue studying puyat, ha? Puyat.
Opo, may patay. May
Yung
patay.
puyat pa yun. Okay, so sino pa bang hindi ko tinatawag? Okay. Oh, Sir Andy. Nakikinig kaya si Sir Andy? Sir Andy, can I call you? Nako, mukhang bingi, ah. Okay. Sino kaya? Oh, let's try Ma'am Lynn Carillo again.
Busy po, Doc. May
Busy.
ginagawa po eh.
Okay lang po, okay lang. Okay lang. Okay, let's call on... si Sir Andy may ginagawa. Sige po, okay lang. Next, sino pa ba? Si Sir Mark, andun po siguro yung pasyente. Sino kaya? Shall we call on Sir Froilan again? Kasi may una kong tinawagan. I think it was... Sir Froilan, yeah. Sir Froilan, I know you know the answers. Very easy. Tapusin na natin to. Sir Froilan, are you still there? Para ma-amaze sila ganun kagaling yung mga naturopath, no? Okay. Number 101. In contrast to the somatic nervous system, the autonomic nervous system, what's your answer here?
D.
D as in dog?
Yeah. Has two motor neurons.
Very good. Amazing. Which of the following is the correct sequence in a typical reflex arc?
C.
Yeah.
Letter C.
Receptor, tapos afferent, then integration, and then efferent, then effector. Very good. Very simple, no? 103. The ability to respond to a stimulus is termed
irritability. Letter C.
galing. Yes, letter C. Which of the following effects is characteristic of the parasympathetic nervous system?
Letter C. Decreases heart rate.
So yung apat is the characteristic of the other system, the SNS, right? Okay, number 105. The midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata are housed in the...
Brainstem. Letter B.
Very good. Galing nyo talaga, grabe. Next. Collections of nerve cell bodies inside the CNS are called...
Nuclei. Letter A.
Does anyone have another answer? What's your answer here, Ma'am Mercy?
Tracks.
No?
Oh, yun. Ganglia po kasi lumabas na sa Ay, hindi. Hindi
It should be
pala
ganglia.
yung ganglia.
Really.
Plexus yung nasa isip ko. Ganglia pala yung nasa loob.
Inside.
Tapos plexus
No?
sa labas.
Ito.
Mm.
Nasa loob
Yun.
ng TNS.
Nasa loob yung ganglia, nasa labas plexus.
Yes. 107. The
Wala.
Schwann cell forms a myelin sheath around the.
Letter C, axon.
Very good. The pituitary gland is most closely associated with or magkalapit lang talaga sila. With what?
Hypothalamus.
Yes. Actually, kung talagang kakaririn nyo yung like how mental tinatawag na hypothalamic pituitary axis, gawin na lang natin simple yon, no?
Wala ito.
Yeah. Anyway, so what is important is you know where the hypothalamus is.
Yes.
It's very closely associated with the pituitary. And the pituitary has anterior and posterior, blah, 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 blah. Okay, 109. Muscles and glands are?
Effectors, letter A.
Yes. Letter A. White matter refers to myelinated fibers in the?
In the CNS,
Very good.
central nervous system.
Oh, di ba? Be careful when you answer these questions. Control of temperature, endocrine activity, metabolism, and thirst are functions associated with?
Letter C, hypothalamus.
Very good. 112, the subarachnoid space. From the term lang subarachnoid, no? It lies directly.
Arachnoid matter.
And
Npia matter, letter E.
letter E. Very
Npia matter, letter E.
okay. 113, the three major parts of the brainstem are? Paulit-ulit.
Midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata, letter
Okay.
C.
Sige, hanggang sa memorize nyo talaga yan. Thank you so much, everyone. Congratulations
Thank you.
po, Sir Froilan.
Thank you po, Doc.
Nobody felt bad. So did you enjoy nervous system today?
Yes, very much.
Yes.
Huwag na kayo
Very
masyadong magbasa pa. Yun lang kailangan natin malaman talaga. Yun ang mga reflex arc and all. And you should know where the dorsal, the ventral is, no? Yan. Maraming salamat po. And I hope to see you on Thursday again, this time for cardiovascular system. Okay? So thank you very much, everyone. You all
Thank
did.
you, Doc.
Maraming salamat po. Good night, everyone. Take care.
Thank you,
Good night.
Doc.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank
Doc,
you.
yung pong
See you on Thursday. I'll give the answer key.
answer key, yes.
Sige po. Thank you so much.